Thank you, man. You could be a winner of this. What is this?
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Rish. It's not the most exciting video that I wanted to do, but it's got to be done. We just went to Barry's, we drove the car there and did the valve seals. That was needed. Those were defective, but we have another underlying issue because your boy is buying eBay products. Learning lesson, don't buy from fucking eBay when it's internally in your motor. They're smaller parts and harder to get to. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Yep. The fucking motors in the Prius. We are going to Barry's yet again. It is 6:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go drop it off and let him do his thing. You gotta replace the piston rings, man. Bought some shit from eBay. Must have been not right for the TSX. Piston rings itself are fine, but it's the oil control rings that are messed up, and that's why I'm having a lot of oil consumption and a lot of smoke. Valve seals are doing that too because they were leaking, but the piston rings are fucking making the oil just disappear. So yeah, let's start this another adventure and go to Barry's. Shout out to you, Barry, for continuously dealing with me. There she is, back again to Mr. Barry. Mad Honda. A lot of people are putting mad respect on your name on my videos. They're like, OG saving the day, knowing his shit.
Alright, I appreciate that.
They loving you. If you guys want to see a video someday, you know, full breakdown of this thing, you know, ride along the sun. But no numbers. Can't see that. Can't see his.
Oh no, you can show that right now.
Oh, his tube chassis right there. That's his race car, you know. That shit's like, what, 1,200 pounds, you said?
1558 with me in it.
A light ass car right there.
If I gain any more weight, I'll weigh more than the car.
Oh, we're back again, So it was my mistake buying MaddHondaRacing piston rings. I believe it wasn't even specifically meant for the TSX K24 A2. It was like meant for all the other K24s, but not this one. Like the actual piston rings are the same size, like 1.2 millimeter or something. The oil ring or whatever is the one that's a different size, and where I went wrong and why a bunch of oil is just fucking flowing through everywhere and fouling out my plugs, dealing with all this smoke constantly, just a bunch of misfire and whatnot. We do what we got to do. I'm just thankful for Mr. Barry over here, because
MaddHondaRacing.
Yeah, MaddHondaRacing saving the day for the, you know, 4th, 5th time.
It was not so much as MaddHondaRacing piston ring. It didn't disclose TSX or a Honda Accord element.
It said on a thing like CRV, Accord, and thing, but not in like TSX or A2 specific. It was all the other K24s, but not the A2. So I fucked up again. Please learn from me, guys. I do this shit for you because you guys have been supporting. Like, we just hit 4,000 subscribers, and within a couple days we're up another 50. So you guys have been killing it with the support. Killing it.
And I've been doing this shit every day. Between porting, polishing, engine building,
valve seals,
playing with my own toys, never stops. And if you need some music for your YouTube videos, I do have a 24-track recording studio.
Okay.
So, up and running.
All right.
some beats. Got my motor right here. Sometimes I regret doing the white valve cover because of how dirty it gets, and it kind of already gets like that yellowness, but it's whatever. Sneak peek. It's starting to rain, guys. It's fully built RSX K24. Leave. Can't wait till my car is fully good so we could go on, you know, these cruises, go for a ride, and just enjoy it and not do car work every time I'm dropping it off, you know?
Once you love Florida rain, like, I don't even care. If this was Connecticut, I'd be like,
We are headed back home. Another 2.5 hour, 3 hour ride, whatever. Hopefully not as much traffic. This morning it sucked a little bit.
but nonetheless, we in the Prius, so saving us some gas money. I just want to say big shout out to Barry. Make sure you guys put W's in the comments for Barry. And also, I'll be announcing a giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I thought Connecticut was bad with drivers, man. You get a mix of every fucking dumbass over here in Florida. Like, literally, it's so bad. I can't even talk about it, because I could go on and on about it, and I already do enough rambling. Make sure you guys stay tuned until I get home. I'm going to really announce the giveaway and stuff, so I can really speak on it. But I just want to say big shout out to Barry. Make sure you guys put W's in the comments for him. He's standing by his motor. Even though this is not his fuck up, it is not his fuck up. He did everything proper. He did 3 motors basically back to back, all exactly the same. Same one in his RSX, built the same way. He just got, you know, a ported head, a little bit more built. That's what he does. He ports and does his shit. So he does his builds real nice. It was nothing because of him. He does excellent work. He knows his shit. He's an engineer. He's got engineers behind him. Like, he knows his stuff. So it's nothing to do with his work. It's just to do with my fuck up. Bought the wrong valve seals, not the wrong ones, but knockoff ones. And I basically bought the wrong piston rings. You know, they're not A2 specific, so that kind of what fucked me up. It's just a big learning lesson for me, and hopefully for you guys. Don't buy from eBay. And yeah, that's just kind of where I'm at right now. Big shout out to Barry. Thank you so much for doing this for me for like mad times. But I'm gonna get back to you guys in a little bit. Florida's weather just be looking different, man. I know we're gonna be dealing with a lot of rain, especially during the rainy season, which is in the summer. That should be fun, you know?
A few inches later.
And here we are 5 minutes later. Like I said, Florida.
As you could tell, we are back at the cribbo in the workshop, as you could say. The heart's out again. We dropped it off at Barry's. I couldn't be more grateful for what he's doing for us. I can say over and over and over again, man, I am just super grateful, and you guys in the comments have been hella supportive, saying he's a GOAT, OG, this and that, Honda God, all sorts of shit, because he is. He really is. So I'm just grateful we made this type of connection, you know, family already. I said earlier we're going to talk about the giveaway, and this is what we're going to do now. We're going to talk about the giveaway. The rules are for this. Make sure you're subscribed and just comment down on this video. Just leave a comment, whatever comment it could be anything. It could be, yo, Rish, you suck. You're still entered in, man. You're still entered in. So there's gonna be 1 entry per person. All you have to do is leave a comment, and you'll be entered in. There's gonna be 5 winners. It isn't anything like too crazy, because your boy don't got it like that yet. Once we bigger in the channel and whatnot, I see a bigger future on potential things that I could do. It's gonna be great. So get your boy to 100K, man, and we gonna get lit. First item on the giveaway. What do you guys think? Look, this air filter, man. This Mugen, beautiful, hold on. Evidence. Showing evidence. This Mugen air filter, man, it is one of a kind. I customly made it. Bro, you can't find it anywhere else in the market. It's supposed to be kind of shiny. Oh, it's got this plastic protect. You see how fancy I am? And it, Mugen, man. You guys can't get it anywhere else. So this is #1 winner. No, look, man, you can't spoil the surprise. This ultimate 1-of-1 basketball, Rish basketball, signed by him exclusively. You know why? Because we always balling out here. So you could win this basketball. You just have to enter in, leave a comment down below. Yeah. Alright, and for the 3rd winner, you could win this delicious half of a homemade cookie. Definitely not from 7-Eleven. I did not buy it from 7-Eleven. you could be a winner of this amazing macadamia nut cookie and white chocolate chip or red velvet, man. There's 2 options, so you know everyone's a winner out here. What is this shit? Alright guys, I'm just kidding with you. I'm gonna stop messing around, wasting your time. I know you guys want to know 5 things. It isn't anything crazy, but it's something, you know. I'm doing what I can at the moment, especially with all the shit that's going on. First winner will be shift knob off a heel toe. I don't know how you say it. The Mavin, or a Carceps shift knob. They're like 60 bucks or something. It's in my car right now. It's a really nice shift knob. It's nicely weighted. It feels good. It's sleek and it looks good, as you can tell, and it matches the interior. So you could be a winner of this beautiful shift knob. So you're gonna have to drop your IGs or any social media so I could contact you if you're a winner. So for comments, you could just leave your @ name or whatever the hell. But first winner is gonna have the shift knob. So for the second winner, I can make you a custom hoodie, custom tee, sweats, whatever you want. I could do it. Since we have a vinyl cutter and heat press, and I make, you know, my own, you know, clothing sometimes. Designs can't be too crazy and detailed, but we can make you sign. And part of that, I'm gonna give you a Rish bundle, black t-shirt with the basic Rish in the middle, a keychain, and a couple stickers, you know. Who doesn't like a couple stickers, right? A couple free stickers. So a Rish bundle and your own custom t-shirt, tank top, sweater, hoodie, whatever you want. We'll discuss that. Alright, so for the third winner, we're gonna be giving away this TSX. It's like, this TSX. Big shout out to Lauro. He's the one that supplied this.
Sponsored by Lauro.
It's sponsored by Lauro. It was a gift for me personally because, you know, you're a RTSX white, but I already have 2, you know, lovely blue one and the white one, which is exactly the same as this one. So he was just like, yo, it'll be another good giveaway item. So instead of, you know, 3 winners, we have 5 because of something else that Laura gave. So big shout out to him. What I was talking about earlier, if I have more subscribers, bigger things in the future, instead of giving you a toy car kind of TSX, I could see myself, you know, one of the TSX builds I do, and in a later future, give it away, raffle it, or just give it away type of thing. Because that's something I really want to do, you know. I just want to build TSXs and just give back to you guys when it's possible. But yeah, so you could be a winner of this beautiful Euro RTSX. So make sure you guys comment down below, leave your @name. So number 4, I made a video on this previously, just recently, installing them hybrid racing detent springs. It is a great addition for your car. It's not eligible for everyone because if you're auto, you can't really use them. It's for manual, but you'll still win them. You could either have it for another, you know, build, or give it to a friend, sell it, whatever. But that's gonna be number 4. Number 5, I'm really running out of battery now. I'm taking long. These fog lights, I have it on my TSX and they're pretty cool. They're dual colored. It goes yellow or white and it's pretty cool, you know, race time or chill time, you know, and it's just with a flick of a switch. So they're pretty cool. You could win it. Big shout out to Laura as well. This is the second item he gave. You could be this winner. Just drop your @ down below, a comment, and you could be entered in. Don't sleep.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off, so high I cannot see.